So we kind of knew that we'd need to diversify and add value for our business to work. And we wanted to do that because we wanted to connect our products with the people. Farming can be quite lonely and farms can be quite empty. We kind of knew that we wanted to sort of push into that area.
Well, we love ice cream. We've always loved ice cream. And we knew that we needed to add value to our milk in some way. So we thought through the different options, and ice cream was one that definitely appealed to us. This is quite a touristy area, so we thought hopefully there's a good market for ice cream around here. And the processing room was already on site. The previous farmers here made cheese, but the specific cheese equipment wasn't here anymore. So it was a bit of a blank canvas, but we had this great space where we could do something with the milk. And then an opportunity arose. We were already looking into it, but a nearby farmer had been making ice cream and they were stopping, and then the opportunity arose to purchase some of their equipment secondhand. So it all seemed to come together nicely. When we first moved to the farm, just 6 months after we moved here, we went into that first lockdown and the school was closed. So not something we planned for. Point in time we were having to finish building the milking parlour. The cows were just starting to calve, and then we were going to be producing milk. So yeah, the boys just had to really work with us in that first lockdown. We couldn't just stop doing everything and homeschool them. So they had to help with feeding the calves, getting about recalving, everything. They just had to work with us really, didn't they?
Yeah, we probably would have really struggled to get to gotten through that period without their help. It was literally all hands on deck.
Yeah.
Just sort of full survival mode really for a few months. So having extra pairs of hands was really useful.
Yeah, definitely.
Wildlife-friendly farming, I guess, means different things to different people. To us, one of the main ways in which we try and farm with nature in mind is by being certified organic farmers. And so that means that we're farming to a fully certified and audited farming system that does have multiple benefits to wildlife. For example, we don't use any pesticides, no herbicides, no insecticides, no fungicides. And we don't use any inorganic fertilisers, both of which we feel are really significant in terms of just making space for wildlife on the farm. We prioritise soil health. Again, organic farming, we're relying on the soil to support our crops. Yeah, we very much farm with soil health in mind.
I think my favourite is one we've done quite recently, cherry ripple. So it's our plain Just Jersey ice cream with the cherry ripple through it. I really like the Just Jersey on its own, just simple actually is nice, but with the cherry as well is really good.
For me, it would either be white chocolate cherry ripple, which I do like, or chocolate orange. Probably chocolate orange in the winter.